Your sheet tabs are running across the bottom of your spreadsheet. If you would like to rename any of your sheet tabs, you can simply double-click the sheet tab and give it a name. You can reorder any of your sheet tabs by dragging and dropping them in the order that you would like. You can also click the drop-down arrow next to any sheet tab. This gives you more options. Here, we can delete the tab if we no longer need it. We can duplicate the tab if we want a second copy. We can copy to a new or existing spreadsheet. We can rename here as well. We can give the sheet tab a color, which is just a line underneath the name. We can protect our sheet, which we've looked at through a couple of our menus. We can hide the sheet if we would like, and we can have it move right or left. If I hide a sheet tab, to get it back, we can go up to View and then see our hidden sheets, or we can click the three bars in the bottom left corner. Here we see a list of all of our sheet tabs. Any that are hidden will be grayed out, and the one that we're on will have a check mark next to it. To unhide a hidden sheet, all we do is select it, and now it will show up again. If you have a lot of sheet tabs and they don't all show up on the bottom bar, you can always use that menu option to navigate among your different sheet tabs. If you want to create a brand new blank sheet tab, just click the plus sign at the bottom, and that will create a new sheet tab for you to the right of the sheet that you're on currently.